Hi, I'm Todd Piggott. Good afternoon. Fund manager for the Zinc Income Fund. It's times like these investors are asking me one big question. Todd, where can I put my money at work without putting it at risk in the stock market with this volatility that is occurring right now? At Zinc Income Fund, we believe the answer is super clear. Real estate-backed lending. Stock markets react emotionally to news, not only on U.S. soil, but around the world. Inflation, geopolitical issues, Fed decisioning, political divide. In contrast, real estate, which is where I have all of my money, has intrinsic value, doesn't fluctuate daily. Even in past recessions, single-family residences have shown much resilience, especially in markets with housing shortages. Look, other asset classes like stocks, crypto, oil wells, beehives, energy, even some of those traded NASDAQ REITs, they can be highly volatile. They're affected by global events, interest rate swings, sentiment shifts. Zinc Income Fund invests in one thing: short-term, first-position loans backed by real property with a first-position lien, offering predictable returns and capital preservation. It's an asset-backed model, not a speculative model. Stocks and crypto are speculative. Your only chance of recouping your investment is that somebody behind you wants to pay more. In real estate, historically, this model shows low default rates and tangible collateral that you and I can drive my pickup truck to if we have to. If equity markets decline, many investments lose value instantly and without even a floor. As recently in the news, a billionaire, their company lost 50% of its value almost overnight. Real estate loans, on the other hand, are tied to physical property with inherent utility and value. Even in corrections, SFRs often retain value due to the shelter demand. At the end of the day, we have to live somewhere. Rental income potential and limited inventory today are even further making sure that that capital and preservation in loans is safe. When you invest in our fund, the Zinc Income Fund, you're first in line to be repaid in the event of any borrower default. Our first position lien strategy, coupled with low loan-to-value ratios and shortage of inventory, means your capital is well protected by real equity. There's also a chronic housing shortage right now, especially in the markets we serve. That's why demand supports property values, even when other asset classes are taking a hit. And here's something you won't find in almost any other fund: our first loan loss commitment. Zinc absorbs the first $500,000 of any principal loss before it ever impacts one of our investors. That's how confident I am, and we are, in our strategy. In a world of uncertainty, choose stability, choose real estate, choose a fund like ours backed by real assets, single-family homes, real experience, and real protection. With over 20 years and $1 billion of lending, we know what we're doing. Want to learn more? Click on the link, schedule a meeting with a call with either myself or a member of our investor relations team. Thank you for watching. Have an absolutely amazing day.